Assalamualaikum friends, my name is MubashirSohail. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video I will tell you how to change administrator profile picture. So let's start the video. First open control panel, then click on user account and then again click on user account. Here you can see make changes to my account in PC setting. Click on it and here you can see scroll down and here you can see there is no picture in profile, so you will click on browse and select that image which you want to show on your profile. I am going to select it and here you can see my profile picture has been selected. So in this way you can add profile picture of your administrator. So friends, take care of you and your family. Allah Hafiz.